If I don't give up, I can get whatever I want. If I don't give up, I know if I don't give up, I can get whatever I want. I want it all, so keep that negativity.
Today I don't feel like working out. Today I don't feel like working out, but it's one of them days. Wallah, I don't feel like working out today. But it has to be done, innit? There's no other option.
That type of energy is not what I seek. Cause I'm aware the only thing that I need is to constantly remind myself that if
I don't give up, nah, I don't give in. Came up from nothing, I knew what I wanted, I needed to win. When you do it, how I done it, when you get to stuntin', they start to forget where you been. I was dreaming while you left as a kid, nowadays, know it is what it is. Freestyle till I wrote with the pen, 17, that's the way it began. Heartbroken till my art focus started seeing life through a whole different lens. You mean that I could become my own boss, from making a win when I suffer a loss? That sounds like alchemy, making a salary, making a future, off writing my history. I got some cards that I didn't want dealt, I got some feelings I shouldn't have felt. I got some nights I shut off the lights and start feeling everything but myself. I got some people I needed to lose, I got some anger too hot for the views. If I don't write it, I'm scared of surviving and wake up to seeing myself on the news. They gonna tell you that everything's great soon as this music is filling your plate. Gotta be stronger than what it becomes, patience and virtue, get used to the weight. I stay above it, I know that they love it, they say it can shove it like they gotta skate. I'm on the grind, so I got no time for pain. You mind, get out of my face.
so keep that negativity by me. That type of energy is not what I seek. Cause I'm aware the only thing that I need is to constantly remind myself that if I don't give up, I can get whatever I want. I know if I don't give up, I can get whatever I want. And bitch, I want it all, so keep that negativity by me. That type of energy is not what I see. Cause I'm aware the only thing that I need is to constantly remind myself, yeah.
I know it's easy to say, I know it's harder to live. I know it's easy to take, I know it's harder to give. I know that I gotta shine, even when everything's dark. When nobody's giving me theirs, I gotta give you my heart. Broken a blessing if you learn to grow. You get to reap in whatever you sow. You get to see in whatever you show. You get to be in whoever you know. Ain't that a reason to be up and leaving? The air that you're breathing got you moving slow. You